In today's segment, learn how to create a DIY thyme cough syrup, a perfect remedy for respiratory relief. Thyme, a botanical renowned for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, serves as the star ingredient. Traditionally utilized to soothe coughs and alleviate bronchial issues, thyme's efficacy is also supported by modern studies, highlighting its ability to relax the respiratory tract. Begin by harvesting fresh or dried thyme leaves, steeping them in honey and water to extract its essential oils. Simmer gently for about 20 minutes, then strain and cool to craft a natural, preservative-free syrup. This concoction not only helps ease persistent coughs, but also supports overall respiratory health, making it an ideal addition to your holistic wellness toolkit.